So it's time for threads. So pay attention. First tweet, lead with a hook. How to make X amount of dollars in X amount of days. How to make $10,000 this month. How to do this, how to do that, how to do this in your 20s. Think about that type of stuff to hook their attention and then share an interesting story, show how the reader can achieve the same great results as you, attach an image, and then end with thread or one and then dash. You need to attach an image. Why do you want to attach an image? It increases the probability that they're going to see your tweet on the timeline. That is the number one reason you want to use an image. And also, the image can influence whether they think this thread is valuable or not. So you need to take all these little components, combine them together to increase your probability of success. So that's the first tweet. The second tweet, insert a call to action such as before we get started, retweet that first tweet. The reason you want to do that is a lot of people will start reading your thread and then they'll go about their day. So you want to get them to retweet at the beginning of your thread. That way other people are going to see your thread. So insert a call to action for them to retweet it, because a lot of people don't do anything until you ask them. That's also a key to life itself. Ask and it will be given, as the Bible would say. The next tweets, fill with value, have each sentence lead to the next. Keep filler words out and do not allow it to get boring. Use proper spacing. As I've already said, don't do a long paragraph. Put some spaces, make it look easy to read and engaging. And obviously, like I said, you want to fill it with value and you want to have each sentence lead to the next, meaning each tweet can essentially be its own tweet, if that makes sense. Let me break it down even more. Each tweet, you could just tweet that out like literally alone without the thread and it would still be a good tweet. That's something I keep in the back of my mind. And then I also, to keep people reading, essentially build anticipation for that next tweet. So I'll put like, which leads me to ... and then you're going to keep reading. And that's how you keep people reading your thread. And then the last tweet is insert a call to action. It could be a free gift, so like a lead magnet, so a PDF, a video course, to book a call with you, whatever, to ask for a retweet again. And if you ask for a retweet, what I want you to do is take that first top tweet, copy the link, and paste it. If you do ask for a retweet again, that way they can click that first tweet, go to the top, retweet it, and it's much easier for them. Here is a couple tweets from a thread that I recently did, and I basically said 10 skills you can pick to make more money before inflation destroys you if you realize only you can save yourself. So basically, I'm calling people out like, inflation is going to destroy people, and if you apply this, you realize that only you can save yourself. Keep reading. And then I put a picture from that event that I did a couple months ago, and that's just a really good picture. I could have used a statistic or something, or maybe a statistic about inflation. There's so many different things that I could have put as an image, but I went with that. And then before we start, please retweet this first tweet to help spread the message. It costs you $0. I appreciate it. Enough talking. Let's go. And then right here, I broke this down, email marketing, blah, 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 blah. I'm just showing you the spacing that I did. It's easy to read. And then I promoted my email list, which had a free guide that you get whenever you join my email list, which, by the way, click the link down in the description below and you'll get it. If you'd like to learn more about turning skills like we talked about today into a full-time income, click this link and download my freelancing guide free when you join my newsletter. Boom, call to action, and it grew my email list.